Okay, so what we're looking at here is the website structure, the folder structure for my website that I'm showing you as we create these tutorial videos. You can see here I've got my index page, the home page I'm working on, the style sheet called Style 1. You can see Adidas logo, which is the logo I inserted in the top left hand corner of this web page. And we can see here are a range of other images. Adidas trainers, yellow gazelle, I've got blue gazelle, blue jeans, green jeans, and the special as well. So what I've done here, what I want to show you here is how we can insert these images into the web page as rollover images. So first things first, I've just selected the cell where I want the first rollover image to appear. And it's as simple now as going to insert, image objects, I'm looking for rollover image. Okay, insert, image objects, rollover image. If I just wanted to insert a plain image, I would have just gone for image itself. But I want to go for image objects and put in a rollover image, and we click the button and we just follow the instructions. We browse for the original image, so I'm going to do that now. So we'll start off with the blue gazelle and we'll click OK, and then what we do is we browse for the rollover image, so we'll click on that, browse, and it is the yellow gazelle in this case, and we'll click OK. Alternate text, this is what will appear when the user puts their mouse over the image, and it's useful, for example, if someone is accessing the site using speech, text-to-speech software. So let's put something in here, so we'll put Adidas Gazelle trainers. If I wanted to, I could even put a URL on here, which when I click would take me to a page. So if there was, for example, a special page on the internet out there which was dedicated to gazelle trainers, I could paste the URL in there. That's something you might want to try a bit later on. It's very simple, simply highlight the URL of the page you want to link to and paste it in there. Alternatively, you could browse, you could link it to a page that exists in this website already if you wanted to do that. Click cancel for now though. If I just select OK, you can see it's put it in there, and if I just click away from it, you can see it's positioned it here on the left hand side. Well, that's very easy now. If I just reselect the cell, I can then go and change the horizontal alignment and put it into the center by changing the cell properties, so it puts it in the middle. It might mess up your table a little bit, but as I said before, tables aren't an exact science in Dreamweaver, so you just have to play around with it till you get what you're after. Now a lot of people at this stage start saying, well, big deal, what does it do? I'm putting my mouse over and I'm not seeing the other one. Well, you need to save your page, and then we need to go and preview this through a browser. So we'll choose Internet Explorer, we'll have a look and see what pops up. Okay, so as you can see, we can't see the grid lines on the table, but it does happen when I roll over, put the mouse over, you can see it rolls over to display the other image. And you can see there the alternate, oh, I've spelt it wrong, Adidad. Must be getting old. So you can see there the alternate text is popping up as well. It's not a problem, I can just nip back into Dreamweaver, reselect the image, and down here in the properties for this you can see the alternate text. So if I just find a spelling mistake, Adidas Gazelle trainers, save that now, save all, refresh the page, and you should see it's now, oh, it's not, still changed. Maybe I didn't press, maybe I didn't, I've not saved it there. You can see this little sea of stars sign up there. File, save all. If I go back now, refresh the page, let's see what happens. There we go, that's now rectified itself. Alright, so rollover images. Now, a word about them. Just be careful with the images that you choose. Make sure they are appropriate and they add to the website. You'll notice as well that the size of my images is exactly the same, 150 pixels by 150. I did some editing beforehand and some other software, Fireworks, and I made that so it is the same. I'm going to show you that in a later tutorial. So your next task, after you've got some text on there, you go and get yourself some images on there. Try some rollover images, try some regular images, very easy. Simply insert, image, choose the image that you want, click OK. You get the option to put alternate text on, and you get the option here, once you've clicked OK, you can come down to the bottom, so I'll reselect the page. We can choose where it links to, we click on it if we wanted to do that as well. Okay, I'm just going to delete that now because I'm going to put some further rollover images onto my page.